Hello, welcome to this video. In today's video, we are going to learn it is of about order of magnitude. How do we find out the order of magnitude? So for this student, we must to learn first that what is the meaning of this order of magnitude. Okay, so it means to say that we want to express the given magnitude of a physical quantity in the nearest powers of 10. Okay, so what we want to do over there, we want to express the magnitude of physical quantity in powers of 10 which is closest to its magnitude. Now why we want to express it in that power which is nearest to its magnitude? Because whenever we are going to express it in nearest power of 10, so this will give us the idea about how big or small this given physical quantity is. Okay, so therefore that what is this order of magnitude? So it is expressing the given magnitude in the nearest power of 10, that is said to be order of magnitude. Now how do we find out the order of magnitude? So for this order of magnitude, student, let us suppose this is the step number 1. Okay, so step number 1, what it says that let us to consider that value whose magnitude, order of magnitude we want to determine. So I have supposed that let it to be n. Okay, so that value which I want to determine magnitude, order of magnitude, so it is n. Okay, so therefore n could be any number. For example, n could be 8, n could be 550, n could be over there that of 360, n could be of zero point 0.5. This could be the different value of this n. So n, it is what? This is the magnitude of this physical quantity whose that order of magnitude we have to determine. Okay, now student, thus in the second step, let us to look over here how can we determine it. Okay, so therefore what you have to do, you have to express this magnitude in this form, n into 10 to the power x. Okay, what we have to do, that magnitude whose order you want to determine. Order means that how much is the nearest that 10 power which is nearest to this magnitude. So therefore I have expressed this given number in n into 10 to the power x. Okay, so over here this n, small n, which is over here, it should be such that uh, it must be greater than 0.5 and smaller than or either equal to that of 5. ठीक है, तो जो n की वैल्यू है वो 0.5 से तो ग्रेटर होनी चाहिए और जो 5 से ये या तो इक्वल या फिर उससे लेस देन होनी चाहिए. सो एट दैट मोमेंट वट एवर इट इज़ द पावर ऑफ 10. Okay, so that it is said to be its order of magnitude. Okay, now let us to look over here with the few example. So over here that very first I am going to take this magnitude, it is to be 8. Okay, so this is that number n whose magnitude, that order of magnitude I want to find out. Okay, the nearest power to this magnitude, so that I want to determine. So student, what is our demand? That we have to express it first into this, what we said, that express it into this n into 10 to the power x. Okay, so it is instructed to us, जो n है इसकी वैल्यू हमारे पास ग्रेटर देन 0.5, वट लेस देन और इक्वल टू 5 होनी चाहिए. ओके, सो जस्ट टू चेक ओवर हेयर, जो हमारे पास, अगेन आई एम गोइंग टू राइट द कंडीशन, n शुड बी ग्रेटर देन दैट ऑफ दिस 0.5, what it should be less than or either equal to that of 5. Okay, now check that one. This 8, if I will directly write over here 8, so this n, now just to compare it with this given situation, you will find that 8 will be greater than 0.5, but it will also be greater than that of 5. So we can't write over here 8 as it is. Okay, so that means what should be 8, that n over here, small n, what should be over here? So that means student, this must be smaller than that of or equal to 5 but greater than 0.5. Okay, so thus I'm going to make it as, therefore it is 0.8 into 10 की power 1. Okay, what I did over here, I have expressed this 8 as 0.8 into 10 की power 1. So just to check over here, this uh, this is n, compare with this one, this is n, here it is 10, it is x, so x is the power of 10, then it is 1 in this situation. Okay, so you will find that this n, is this greater than 0.5? 0.8 is greater than 0.5 now. And the second thing that is this smaller than 5? So this is right. So it means that how much is the power of 10 which is nearest to this magnitude? So we are getting that this is 1. How much is the power? You have to look only the power of this 10 now. So it is 1. So therefore order of magnitude is 1. Second thing, now over here 49. So how we will express this 49 in the nearest power of 10? So you will find over here, student, as 49 is greater than that of 5, so we can't use directly. Okay, so therefore we have to make it smaller than that 5. Okay, so if I will put a decimal before 9, so it will be smaller than that of 5. Is it right? अगर मैं क्या करता हूँ 9 से पहले एक डेसिमल यूज़ करता हूँ तो ये क्या हो जाएगा 4.9, और 4.9 किससे स्मॉलर होगा 5 से. So therefore what will be the tens power at that moment? And I'm going to write this one as 4.9, and this time the power of 10. एक डेसिमल एक डिजिट पहले डेसिमल लग रहा है तो इसलिए हमारे पास कितनी 10 की पावर आ जाएगी, इट इज़ 1. Okay, so therefore how much is the order of magnitude? You have to check only the power of 10. It is the order of magnitude. Okay, now let us look for this one. It is 552. ठीक है, it is 552. Now what will be the order of magnitude for this value? So you will find that 552 is very much greater than that of 5. ठीक है. Now if I will take a decimal before 2, so it becomes 55.2, but still it is greater than 5. If I will take a decimal before this that 5, so now it becomes 5.52, but still it is greater than that of 5. It means I have to make it smaller than this value. First of all I have to make it smaller than that of 5. So if I will put a decimal at the beginning of this 5, so you will now observe that it becomes 0.552. So this 0.552, it will be greater than 0.5 and smaller than that of 5. So thus we are having over here, this is 0.552 into 10 की power. Now how many that digit after decimal? 1, 2, 3. So put it over here, 3. How much is the order of magnitude then? It is 3. Similarly over here, what you will say? So there it is 999. So if I will use decimal before 9 over here, then this value will be that of greater than 0.5 but smaller than this 5. So thus I will have now, this is expressed as 10 की power 3, and the order of magnitude it is 3. Now the next one, it is of 0.135. Okay, so what will be the order of magnitude for this value? So student, over here you will check that it is 0.135, 0.13. So zero point 0.1, already this 0.1 it is smaller as compared to 0.5. Okay, check over there 0.135. So that means it is smaller than that of 0.5, but we need to make it greater than 0.5. ठीक है, तो ये क्या है 0.5 से भी स्मॉलर वैल्यू है. ठीक है, तो इसलिए हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, इसको उस 0.5 से ग्रेटर बनाना पड़ेगा. तो 0.5 से ग्रेटर बनाने के लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा, ये जो डेसिमल था, इफ़ आई विल शिफ्ट इट टूवर्ड राइट, ठीक है, तो हमारे पास ये क्या हो जाएगा 1.35. तो अगर इफ़ आई विल राइट इट एज 1.35, देन दिस वैल्यू it will be that greater than 0.5 and smaller than that of 5. Okay, so thus what I have to do over here, I have to shift this decimal after this 1. So thus it is 1.35. Now over here, how much is the power of 10? So power of 10, that it will be because this time what we did, we have shifted it to the right. In the previous example we were taking it towards the left, so that time we were adding the zeros. ठीक है, यहाँ पर हम क्या कर रहे थे, डेसिमल जो थे वो लेफ्ट की तरफ लगा रहे थे, ठीक है। और यहाँ पर हम क्या कर रहे हैं, इसका डेसिमल हटा रहे हैं, वी आर गोइंग टू रिमूव डेसिमल ओवर हेयर। सो देयरफॉर जो हमारे पास यहाँ पर पावर क्या हो जाएगी, फिर कितना डिजिट पीछे हम डेसिमल लेके आ रहे हैं, इट इज़ दैट वी आर मूविंग इट फॉर 1 digit, so thus we will take here the negative power and it will come out to be -1. Similarly, how much is that order of magnitude for 51? So 51 student, again it is 0.51 into 10 की power that of +2. यहाँ पर हम क्या कर रहे हैं, 2 डिजिट पहले डेसिमल ले रहे हैं। अगर पहले डेसिमल ले रहे हैं तो प्लस की पावर लेनी है, अगर बाद में डेसिमल ले रहे हैं तो माइनस की पावर लेनी है। जैसे इसमें डेसिमल 3 डिजिट पहले था, हमने डेसिमल को 2 डिजिट पर ही बनाना था, तो इसलिए एक डेसिमल हमने रिमूव किया था, ठीक है। सो ओवर देयर दैट दिस इज ऑर्डर ऑफ मैग्नीट्यूड, नाउ इट इज़ 2. Okay, so this is the order of magnitude. Now let me to have some question for you which is based on that one. This is the number which is given to us, 257100000. Okay, this is in meter, so you have to find out the order of magnitude for this value and comment it. So thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.